We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page on your OfficeJet Pro 9020 printer. Alright, so the first step is going to swipe down and then you see this little wheel here. Go ahead and click that, that's the settings. And then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see reports. And then right here it says printer status report. Go ahead and click that. Alright guys, that's it. You've successfully printed your supply status page. You can find useful information on this page such as the original install date, the device's serial number, how many pages you printed on this, and so much more. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.